Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. We've got another TMG tailgate rig rolling out of the shop today. Now, this one right here, this has been well seasoned, as I like to call it. We have used this at, I want to say, 3 or 4 different cooks now. We actually won the Big Kahuna Wing Festival using this smoker right here. So, hey, this is an award-winning pit already, just rolling out of the shop. So now this is going to man Chappelle in Charlotte, North Carolina. And he's been very gracious to let us use his pit multiple times. You know, it's nice every once. We don't get to cook as much as we used to, so it's nice to break one of these bad boys out, fire it up before they go on down the road. But why don't y'all check this rig out before it leaves? Now this is 330-gallon pit loaded out on a 12,000 pound TMG trailer. Guys, like all of our trailers, no matter how big or small, we design them, build them all in-house. So we'll sit down with you, figure out what all setup you want, and then we will design the trailer around your setup. We got some storage up front along with dual propane tanks. Coming on down the driver's side here, we got a 6-gallon Cajun fryer. Guys, these fryers are great. Double basket, got your regulator right here for it. Everything's better fried, guys, let's just face it. Up next, dual burner with a folding griddle. So this griddle fold up out of the way, set your pot or pan up here, fold it back down, lock it up, boom, you're ready to go. That is a 1/4-inch griddle, super heavy duty. Up next, we've got a TMG 330 tank smoker. Got the fold down stack, counterweighted doors, tell true thermometers. Open her up here, as you can see, like I was saying, well seasoned, but still ready to go. Like all of our tank smoker guys, you got dual top grates, full bottom grates here. They are removable. 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain. We got a stainless steel fender topper on top of the fender here. It's hard to miss those white wall tires, baby moon hubcaps. Those always look slick. And then we've got our fully insulated firebox, like what comes on all of our tank smokers. The door and the front of the firebox is insulated as well. Big wood storage area back here in the back. All your wood, coolers, throw everything back here. Another stainless steel fender topper. And on this side, this is the party side right here, we got the Santa Maria grill. These are awesome, guys. What's really nice about these is they draw everyone's attention while you're cooking on them. So fun to cook on, draw attention. I mean, if you're cooking a steak, cooking some burgers, this is the way to go right here. Up next, we've got our roll-off direct heat cooker. This might be my favorite right here, guys. Something about those direct heat cookers, just, hey, ribs in 3 hours. Brisket, believe it or not, you can cook a mean brisket on this rig right here. Chicken, burgers, really does it all. You got your top shelf here, it's removable. 2 sliding bottom grates. The bottom is insulated as well. Another 6-gallon Cajun fryer up here. And then wrap it all off with a matching spare white wall tire. There's one bad setup right here going on man Chappelle. I know he's fired up, excited to get to cooking on it. We're excited for him. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.